Meaning of hard drug.
Hard drug.
Hard drug.
Hard drug.
Hard drug. A hard drug is a substance that is highly addictive and can lead to serious physical, psychological, and social harm. These drugs are often classified as Schedule 1 or Schedule 2 drugs, which means they have a high potential for abuse and no accepted medical use. Examples of hard drugs include heroin, cocaine, methamphetamine, PCP, and fentanyl. The use of hard drugs can lead to addiction, overdose, and even death. Additionally, the long-term use of these drugs can lead to many negative health effects, including organ damage, cognitive impairment, and mental illness. Overall, hard drugs pose a significant public health threat and should be avoided at all costs.